Welcome to Guangzhou, a city that effortlessly weaves a rich tapestry of ancient history and modern innovation. Here, the past and future coexist, creating a vibrant and dynamic cityscape. A visit to Guangzhou isn't complete without a stroll along the Pearl River. By day, its serene beauty captivates the senses. By night, its dazzling lights dance upon the water's surface, painting a mesmerizing portrait of life in the city. Be sure to explore the Canton Tower, an architectural marvel reaching into the sky. This beacon of innovation reflects Guangzhou's relentless pursuit of progress. Then, delve into the city's rich heritage at the Chen Clan Ancestral Hall, a testament to exquisite craftsmanship and familial devotion. Experience the culinary adventure of a lifetime in Guangzhou, the birthplace of Cantonese cuisine. From the tantalizing dim sum to the succulent roast duck, every dish is a celebration of flavors. From its skyscrapers that touch the heavens to its roots deeply embedded in tradition, Guangzhou is a city that never ceases to inspire. Discover Guangzhou, where the past meets the future, and every moment is a new adventure. This is Guangzhou, a city that's always in motion, always evolving, and always welcoming you with open arms. Your journey begins now.